These are the deals that hardest to put together in terms of piecing everything together on the front end, but they are the juiciest deals on the back end.
All right, my guest today is a podcast host, a public speaker, and former musician.
It is really an interesting background. So played music, was a violinist for 15 years.
Turned from entertainment to foreclosure law and now a probate attorney.
What do I want to do? Do I want to do music or law or medicine? It was like, well, I'm just going to go to law school.
Who has become a staple among real estate investors nationwide as the go-to source for all things probate.
What probate is preparing all the paperwork, the filings, the names, the assets, and putting everything together.
From music to madness, we have one of the most amazing podcast hosts.
Whenever I'm on a podcast and I'm interviewing people, I always hear what their background is.
Welcome to the A-Game Podcast, Al Nicoletti.